Hey, got some pickups from StockX and a surprise. Stay tuned to see what's up. What up, guys and girls? It's your boy SGP back in the building. You know, doing mail call today. You already saw the intro, so we're just gonna kick right into this. We also got a little special surprise today, so let's get that out the way first. This is a package from the homies over at Nations of Souls. So link will be down in the description. I've done a video about them before. I'll link that down in the description so you guys can go check it out. But basically they do like a weekly raffle where you sign up. It's like a membership program. I think it's either $2 a month or $20 a year. And it enters you into a raffle for free shoes and other things throughout the year. They pick winners every week. So every week you get a chance to get some new shoes off of $20 a year. And then the proceeds go to charities around the country. They do a lot of great things. Alright? But I was happy to win. And let's see what they got. Kicks Mini. Want some stuff from Kicks Mini. Hope you guys can see that card. So I'll put all the links and information down below. We got a little bag. Box. Sort of a smooth little box. Alright. And in the box, oh, that's nice. A little keychain medallion type thing. Air Jordan 1 bread. So, you see the box. The box comes. That's actually a really nice little piece. So for you guys that are into keychains and little knickknacks like that. So that's what we want. So my subscription did run out. I've already read up. So we'll see what we win next. I'll bring it to you. But remember, go check out Nations of Souls on Instagram. I think they got a YouTube page. And they definitely got a website. Go check them out. Check the box. StockX paperwork. Normal stuff. Pennies. I think these are the penny 4s. Excuse me, I'm not too up on my penny game. I think these are the penny 4s, maybe, no? Yeah, penny 4s. This is the Orlando home colorway. So if you guys seen previous videos, actually this may be my first on-foot video if you guys want to go back and take a look at that. So Orlando colorways, all tumbled leather upper, nubuck on the sides and the strap with your blue, royal blue penny logos, penny on there, air unit, take a look at the bottoms, and white laces. So I would tell you guys to go a half size up on these because they don't really fit to the size. They fit real snug, just the way I like them. Bam. So you guys check that one out. Same old StockX paperwork. Got the reverse colorway. That's the black and blue joints. Same thing, a little bit different laces. Except these are all blacked out. So the material switch, so this part is all leather coming around. And then the top is a suede or nubuck. Actually feels really nice. So all the logos and the detailing are blacked out. So here you go. So after buying the first joints, fell in love with these. So these are the next two. See if I can pull it. So those are the three that I got in the collection right now. I think I'm done with penny 4s. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I've seen any other colorways that I want. You know what I'm saying? But I had to get these. If I'm not mistaken, these were going for a crazy nice price. Okay, a little bit different on the bottom. This one's got a translucent outsole. This is all white. So I think like 60 or 70 a piece. So it is what it is. Which colorway do you guys like the best? Do you rock with pennies? What's the best penny 4 silhouette to you? Alright guys, we out.